gonna try something new. This one especially for all my food aficionados. Like to eat food, breakfast, lunch, dinner. So I went to a spot that I heard about in Jersey City in West Side Avenue called GRIDDLE. So we're gonna check it out. So first up, we got the steak, egg, and cheese sandwich. See how this shit looking? Right, all right, clean, clean, clean. I mean, it's got that little deli vibe, New York City deli vibe, but we in Jersey. Feel me? Get a little closer look. There we go. Okay. Now let's take a bite. The bread is soft. It's got steak, eggs, and cheese. That's good. They do only put a little thin slice of steak. I don't know if you can see that, but it is good. The bread is soft. Eggs are good. Fresh. I do like my bread a little more toasted, but so I'm gonna give this a 6 out of 10, 6.5 out of 10. Could have been more steak, and the bread could have been a little toasted. Other than that, the flavors is there. It's good. Give you a better view so you can see what it's looking like. There we go. Like I said, eggs, cheese, thin slice. Also, the sandwich does come with a fried egg with cheese if you don't ask for something else. So I just want to give you a heads up on that. But